So that was the most ridiculous thing that has ever happened to me. Good morning, everyone, by the way. She's 30 today. And we're going to Vail to celebrate. Go to Swanky Resort for her birthday. Anyway, so we were trying to leave the hotel, have our board bags and everything, and we get up to the elevator. We hit the button, elevator comes, and there's a maid in there, and she's got her cart and everything, and so there's no room for us or our boards. So we're like, okay, whatever. So we push it again as soon as she leaves, and maybe a minute later, she comes back up. The same maid with the same cart, except this time there's a dude in there. Then, so we're like, okay, that's an anomaly. So we hit the button again, and it comes and it stops on its way up. And she says, oh, let's get in, let's just get in, because more people are gonna get in above us. And I was like, no, it's okay, we'll wait. It comes back, sure enough, it's full. We wait for a little bit longer for one more time, and it comes back, and it was full again. And at that point, we're like, this is ridiculous.
So we ended up taking the stairs.
And it took us like 30 seconds.
And it turned out only to be one flight of stairs.
Yeah.
So we should have just took the stairs the first time. And it turns out that the restaurant in this Holiday Inn Express is a restaurant.
It's not like
not a free buffet that we're used to. So we're just gonna go grab some food to go at Whole Foods.
And make up the time that we lost waiting for the elevator.
Yeah, pretty much. Whole Foods. Our best friend.
Yeah.
We are about 10 minutes out. I see gondolas. It's my birthday, and I'm spending it snowboarding with my love. Just like I wanted.
If you roll back to a year ago, or roughly a year ago, she said, next year, I want to be in snow for my birthday. And here we are.
And we're in Colorado.
Pro tip, if you're coming to Vail, on a weekday at least, don't pay $30 for the parking in one of the structures. Come to Donovan Pavilion, there's about 100 spots. Usually, on a weekday, you'll be able to find a spot. On weekends, you can probably still find a spot, but you're gonna have to come a little early.
Well, as you can tell, I have helmet hair.
Yeah.
More like balaclava hair. Had an amazing day at Vail. My cold.
Day's not over either.
Day's not over. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get some hot tub time in a little bit before dinner, and then I have a surprise birthday dinner apparently. I have no idea where it is, but it's my birthday. And every time they scanned my Epic Pass, I guess it says it's my birthday. So they're like, happy birthday. I was like, thank you. That was fun. It was a really good day. If we thought yesterday was windy at Keystone.
The storm's definitely coming in.
Oh my God, today was so windy. Like windy, and it was blowing up the mountain to the point where I couldn't even go fast because wind.
Because wind.
Beautiful day. I couldn't be happier. Could I?
I mean, we'll see. It's not some Michelin star restaurant. Or
No,
anything like
I know that.
There are no Michelin star restaurants in the state of Colorado. Anywhere.
Colorado needs to step it up.
I would have taken her to one, but
It's okay. So now we're headed back to the hotel. Clean up, relax, have a little whiskey ginge before dinner. I'm gonna need a whiskey jacket because it's fucking windy outside.
yeah, it is.
Yeah, such a good day. Woo! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you, love.
Yay.
Running a little bit late.
Got a little too comfy after the shower.
Yeah, went to the hot tub. Got a little too relaxed, I guess. So now we gotta rush. We're taking the stairs because the elevator's going too slow. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh Jesus, it's windy. Oh my God. We're in. Oh my God, I can't even get a line out. We're in Breckenridge. We're going to a restaurant called Hearthstone.
Ooh.
It's a steakhouse.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hearthstone.
Thank you.
Excellent.
My love.
You're welcome.
My awesome birthday dinner.
Excellent meal. Oh, maybe it is snowing, actually. She's never seen snow fall.
I've seen snow. I've been snowboarding.
I mean, there's snow right here.
There's snow right here. But seen it fall from the sky, negative.
And so it's supposed to snow tonight.
We're gonna be old and go back to the hotel room and cuddle and watch the Olympics on TV.
Yeah, and drink more of our Zevio ginger beer. And bullet. Twerk it, birthday girl.
Even though I'm sorry, I can still twerk it. Not that old.
Yeah. Time for us to sign off for the night. Rating this birthday compared to the rest.
Best one yet. I mean, I don't know how I can compare with a surprise trip to Hawaii.
Yeah, I kind of set the bar really high on that one.
You did, but to say the least, you gave me exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be in snow, and it was snowing.
Yeah, you got to see snow for the first time.
Yay.
On your
And tomorrow
birthday.
we get to snowboard on powder.
Yeah.
On real snow.
On real snow.
Real snow.
It's been a very long time since I've snowboarded on powder, like real powder.
I'm excited. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you. Anything for you.
Okay, we're gonna go cuddle naked now. Okay, we're gonna go cuddle now. There, you can cut that in. Happy girl. All because of this guy. Okay.
And based on the amount of cars in the parking lot.
It's gonna be a busy day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hopefully they go to Vail.
Yeah.
And, like,
everyone
go away.
Other places than Breck. Yeah. Anyway. So that's it for us tonight. We'll see you in the morning.
And our last full day of snowboarding in Colorado.
That's true.
Woo!
And until next time,
Us against the world.
good night.